What is going on, guys? It's your boy Scruff, and today I'm bringing you another challenge video with Wheaton again. Today we're doing the pistol challenge, and it's just trying to see who can get the most kills in this map. We're on TDM again. I'm about to smash him. Bet.
It's gonna be a bad time.
For all of you who doesn't know, Mitchell does use pistols a lot.
Oh my choke! I just choked that
I'm
kill so hard.
this.
Yeah, you already won. I just choked that pistol kill so hard.
Infantry neutral.
Dude, ow, yeah,
No, I'm out of ammo. How do you use this thing? Never mind. I'm destroying.
Yeah, you are. I'm gonna get destroyed.
Dude, I'm just good at pubs.
Sector. Threat neutralized.
Alright, we're good. He's behind me? There's no way.
Dude, I swear if I got somebody else.
I hate you. You're getting these free kills.
Counter UAV inbound.
You can go ahead and take that. Go ahead.
Damn, my teammate just got me killed. That was my first death.
That's a
We're
kill.
off 7-0. Get it?
What
Dude, this I can talk because I'm not worried about staying alive. Just kill.
Dude, I'm getting killed from the back, man.
You're getting killed from where? The back?
The back. I'm not gonna challenge him. Oh, because I got the kill. What's good?
Storm inbound.
Did that.
Enemy down.
Damn it.
Dude,
And I just choked
you
that.
serious?
It's annoying, bro.
That shit's annoying, bro.
Overwatch killed.
If I lose
Damn
this,
it. Took my kill.
Kinetic armor good to go.
Ran out of kinetic. Oh, I slowed down. You got back up. How did you just kill all of them?
I had kinetic.
You're a hater? Who?
Dude, I'm
You're a
giving
hater,
you
bro.
3 kills.
Thanks, bud. Stay away from me then. You really are, though. It's crazy.
Shooting at me instead of you.
Oh, dude, he's so weak.
Dude, my teammates just let me back from behind, guys. What map are you playing on?
Kanban.
Oh, no way.
You stole that one.
Destroyed.
I did.
What the hell, Mitchell?
I'm so happy you just died right there. And I got the kill.
So annoying.
Got that kill.
Online.
That kill.
What a great commentary.
That kill. Haha.
Check.
Dude, I
This is why
told you.
nobody watches your videos. All you say is like one thing.
Dude, what do you mean? He's so salty
You
right now.
remind me so much of what I needed to talk about today.
He's so salty right now. Look at this.
I like listening to Greek. Greek videos are nice.
You're right.
Actually entertaining,
You're right. I'm not. I'm sorry. My bad, YouTube.
right?
My bad, YouTube. Wheaton's just so salty right now.
Took down that
All
fight.
these flavors and Wheaton chooses to be salty.
Salty's fun.
Salty's good, what?
Smoke checked. Leader gone.
Friendly HCXD deployed. Friendly HCXD inbound. UAV inbound.
Assault unit down. Overwatch killed.
I am just taking Wheaton's kills and he's taking some of mine.
Inbound.
It's amazing.
I don't know why they spawned there, to be honest.
Oh!
Ruined.
I was 10 points away, dude.
What are these fools doing?
I don't know where they're spawning.
Spawning right here, but
Rocked.
that's not the point. They're like sitting in their spawn.
One shots.
Alright.
How do you have that many kills? What?
Dude, I told you, dude. This is like... Pistols are my favorite to use.
That's weird.
Kinetic armor.
No, you did not just say my fave.
My fave, bruh.
That is so homosexual right there. Pistols are my fave to use. Oh my god.
I'm just good with pistols.
Oh, I'm going off.
Single shooter.
Dude, why do I not just run around with the MR6 in competitive?
UAV.
I don't know, but I just got a 3-piece.
I just got turned on. I got a 4-piece in their base and then I died.
Enemy
Like, he
down.
has 10 more kills.
I have 10 more kills than him.
Why wouldn't I did it? Tried all hard at that. I just lost this kid. I'm not even get.
I don't
80
shoot
now.
fast enough. If I shot faster, I'd get like 4 pieces every single time I move.
Medic armor's a big help too. Like I got 2 4 pieces with it. Alright, let's go. Thank you.
Like, how did you take that? I don't understand.
You
What's good?
made the entire
Oh,
squad
dude.
inbound.
10 more
Still a
kills
better
than him.
KD. Still
Oh,
a better-
we're not going by better KD though. Let me see. My trigger finger's not even fast.
I know it's slow.
Oh, dude, this Sparrow guy right to my right was about to take me out.
Mess with the best.
Well, guys, it's 1-1 in challenges right now.
Those guys, like, he's talking to multiple people.
Well, I mean, I got like 10 views on my last video, so that'll work. For now, I guess. When I have 10
You're all his mom.
subscribers. My mom makes multiple accounts, I know. Trust me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.